Why dryer vent cleaning is so important for safety and efficiency. Your dryer vent kind of lint trap does a great job of catching the vast majority of lint, but there's still a little bit of lint that gets through every single time you do a load of laundry through the dryer. Now, on shorter runs, that's less buildup, but on a long run, which a lot of houses have when they have dryers on second floors or where dryers are not located on exterior walls, that buildup builds up over time and starts to reduce the size of the duct, making it harder on the blower motor, but also builds up that lint, which is highly combustible, which has the risk of fire. Generally on that 3-4 year basis, maybe sooner, you want to be making sure your dryer vents are clean. And if you're unsure the last time your dryer vent has been cleaned, now is a great time to make sure it gets done by a professional.